Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to redeem Nike gift card on website. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to redeem Nike gift card on website, the first thing that you need to do is go to the Nike website. To do it, simply head over and open up your browser. Then on the search bar, simply type in Nike.com. Then once the homepage of the Nike loads, what you need to do is tap on this account icon on the top and then sign in using your email and password. Then the next thing that you need to do is browse the products you want. Simply scroll down and browse to the products that you want, and then once you have selected the product, you'll find an option that says add to bag. Simply tap on that. Now you'll be asked to enter your size. Simply select the size and then tap on add to bag once again. Then once that's done, what you need to do is simply head over on the top of your screen and you'll find this bag icon right here. Simply tap on that, and once you're inside the bag section, you'll find an option that says go to checkout. Simply select that and then tap on never checkout or guest checkout, which one is applicable for you. Then once that's done, what you need to do is in the payments option, simply click on add a gift card or redeem gift card option, and then enter the gift card details by entering gift card number, which is usually 16 digits, and the pin, which is on the back of the card, which you need to scratch to reveal. And once you have entered it, simply click on apply. Then after the gift card balance is applied, simply click on place order, and now your Nike gift card is redeemed. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Do a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.